And special thanks to our friends at this company who was nice enough to send me this surge protector for an office or dorm room. This is just the box. You can see some photos of what they look like here. And so let's open it on up and take a look at it. So round, I like that. Wow, that's it for the box. So we have a little instruction sheet here with a diagram, basically telling you what everything does and some warnings and stuff. Very nice. Then we have the actual power strip tower. So you can see on the bottom, you have some feet for grip. That's pretty nice. 2,500 watts is the maximum power and 10 amps is the maximum current. Like you got like a little reset button here. You can individually turn these on and off on each one, which is pretty nice. Like that. And then outside of these 3, 6, 9, 12 fully grounded outlets, you have USB ports. So you have 4 5-volt, 3-amp USB-A ports right here to plug in any device, iPad, watch, etc., as well as an 18-watt USB-C port. So this would fast charge your iPhone, your iPod, whatever you're trying to fast charge. Outside of that, it comes with a very nice long cable, and it is even angled, as you can see. So that makes it a little easier to plug into the bottom of something and not have to worry about unplugging stuff. And this may look like a wireless charger on top, but it's not. This is actually for heat. So like this is how the heat comes out of the device. Very cool. You can plug in 12 items. Really a total of 17 items could be plugged into this at one time, which is just amazing in my opinion. But it's great that it includes a USB-C as well as 4 USB-As. You should be able to set this on your desk or in your dorm and be able to plug in multiple items and get them all charged up or use them all at the same time. So that will essentially do it for this power strip tower with USB A and C ports as well as 12 grounded outlets. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.